Hi fools, Andrew Tonner here, and one of the most intriguing storylines in the run-up to Apple's iPhone launch is whether they'll announce a deal with the world's largest telecom company. Of course, I'm talking about China Mobile. But thankfully for Apple investors, one of China Mobile's biggest competitors recently showed just how valuable selling the iPhone can be. So what am I talking about here? Well, I'm talking about China Telecom, China Mobile's smaller rival and the number 3 player in the China Telecom industry, who, thanks to Apple's iPhone, is absolutely killing it. So, for context, China Mobile made a deal to start selling the iPhone last year, and the company fully acknowledged that in the short term, selling the iPhone could prove a headwind to profitability, and it certainly did, as the company had to spend on rolling out their 3G network and marketing the device. However, the key here, where it becomes very attractive, is that over the long term, we've seen now profits surge in the 2 most recent quarters. We saw profits in the most recent quarter pop 21%. Why would that be? Because subscribers that buy these higher-end smartphones like the iPhone are also proving to be absolute data hogs. Now, China Telecom is seeing meaningful increases in one of the most important metrics that people in the telecom industry watch. We call it ARPU, average revenue per user. And as users use the 3G network to download content and apps, it juices having high-end smartphones where data consumption is a big point of emphasis, helps to bolster that number in a big way. We're also seeing that effect take place with China Unicom as well, who's the number 2 in this space to China Mobile by a wide margin. They're also seeing the same effect. They saw profits rise a very, very impressive 41% in their most recent quarter as well, leaving China Mobile struggling for growth and without the iPhone, seeing 2 of its smaller competitors succeeding in huge ways because of the iPhone. Could be tempting for them to actually have a deal, could tip the scale in Apple's favor, and this would be a huge win for Apple. Again, of course, China Mobile has over 700 million total subscribers. A deal, even though many of those aren't on 3G networks, would open Apple up to a huge potential marketplace they haven't seen in some time. So the bottom line here is that the iPhone has proven to be a moneymaker for Chinese wireless companies, and especially as China Mobile tries to find new growth drivers, this could be an easy solution for China Mobile and for Apple and for both of their shareholders. So hopefully we'll see a deal, but we'll know next month. Thanks a lot, and fool on.